In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, our minds are a whirlwind of thoughts, worries, and aspirations. It's a constant chatter, a never-ending stream of consciousness that often feels beyond our control. But what if this inner dialogue wasn't just background noise? What if it held the key to shaping our reality? Neville Goddard, a 20th century mystic and philosopher, believed that our inner conversations possess extraordinary power. He taught that our thoughts, whether conscious or unconscious, act as a blueprint for our experiences. By mastering our inner dialogue, we can manifest our desires, overcome limitations, and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. In this video, we'll embark on a journey into the depths of our minds, exploring the profound impact of inner conversations on our reality. We'll learn how to become aware of our inner dialogue, shift it towards positive outcomes, and ultimately harness its transformative power to manifest our dream. Get ready to unlock the hidden potential of your mind and create a life that reflects your true desires. Inner conversations encompass more than just the conscious thoughts we actively think. They also include the underlying stream of consciousness, the subtle whispers and assumptions that often go unnoticed. This inner dialogue reveals our deepest beliefs, fears, and desires, shaping our perception of the world and our place in it. Our inner conversations have a profound impact on our emotions, behaviors, and overall well-being. They can uplift us, inspire us, and motivate us to take action, but they can also drag us down, fill us with doubt, and keep us trapped in self-limiting patterns. Have you ever noticed how a negative thought spiral can quickly ruin your mood and affect your interactions with others? Or how a positive affirmation can boost your confidence and attract opportunities? Our inner conversations are constantly shaping our reality, whether we're aware of it or not. As Neville Goddard wisely stated, man's chief delusion is his conviction that there are causes other than his own state of consciousness. Our inner world, the landscape of our thoughts and feelings, is the primary architect of our outer experiences. The first step towards transformation is to become aware of our inner dialogue. Pay attention to the thoughts that run through your mind throughout the day. Notice the patterns, the recurring themes, and the emotional charge they carry. This awareness is the foundation for change. To truly grasp the power of inner conversations, we must understand their connection to the subconscious mind. The subconscious is like a vast ocean, holding the sum of our experiences, beliefs, and emotions. Our inner dialogue is the surface ripple, revealing the currents that flow beneath. By observing our inner conversations, we gain insight into our subconscious programming. We see the limiting beliefs that hold us back, the fears that keep us small, and the desires that yearn for expression. This awareness allows us to consciously choose the thoughts we entertain, rather than being at the mercy of our subconscious conditioning. Imagine two individuals facing a similar challenge. One's inner dialogue is filled with doubt and worry. I can't do this. I'm not prepared. What if I fail? The other's inner conversation is one of confidence and determination. I am capable. I am prepared. I will succeed. It's not difficult to see how these contrasting inner dialogues will shape their actions and ultimately their outcome. Our inner conversations also influence our relationships. If we constantly criticize and judge others in our minds, we're likely to project those feelings onto them, creating tension and conflict. Conversely, if we cultivate a loving and accepting inner dialogue, we'll radiate those qualities, attracting harmonious and fulfilling relationships. Neville Goddard taught that our inner conversations act as a self-fulfilling prophecy. Through the law of assumption, our assumptions, whether true or false, harden into reality if persisted in. Our inner dialogue reflects our assumptions, aligning us with specific states of consciousness and attracting corresponding experiences. In essence, we become what we think about most. If our inner conversations are dominated by lack, limitation, and fear, we'll inevitably attract experiences that mirror those beliefs. But if we cultivate a positive inner dialogue filled with affirmations of abundance, joy, and success, we'll open ourselves to a reality that reflects those qualities. This is where the concept of states comes into play. Each state of consciousness represents a specific reality, a collection of beliefs, thoughts, and emotion. Our inner dialogue determines which state we inhabit and consequently the experiences we attract. The good news is that we have the power to consciously choose our inner conversations. We can shift from reactive self-talk to intentional affirmations that align with our desires. Here are a few techniques to help you cultivate empowering inner conversations. Number 1. Affirmations. Craft positive affirmations that resonate with your goals and repeat them regularly. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, you might affirm, "I am attracting my dream job effortlessly and joyfully." Number 2. Visualization. Create vivid mental images of yourself experiencing your desired reality. Imagine yourself in your dream job, feeling confident and successful. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualizations, the more powerful their impact on your subconscious mind. Number 3. Gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for the blessings in your life, both big and small. Gratitude raises your vibration and attracts more abundance into your experience. Remember, consistency is key. Make these practices a regular part of your routine and watch as your inner conversations transform, paving the way for a new and fulfilling reality. Let me warn you, my friends, shifting negative inner conversations can be challenging, especially if they're deeply ingrained. Limiting beliefs and self-doubt can create a powerful inner critic that constantly undermines your effort. But remember, these negative thoughts are not the truth. They're just illusions created by past conditioning. Forgiveness and self-compassion are essential for overcoming negative self-talk. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and embrace your imperfection. Recognize that you are worthy of love and abundance, regardless of your past experiences. When negative thoughts arise, practice mindfulness. Observe them without judgment and gently redirect your focus towards positive affirmations. Reframe challenges as opportunities for growth and setbacks as stepping stones toward success. Remember, transformation takes time and patience. Be kind to yourself and celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Negative inner conversations often stem from deeply rooted fears and insecurities. These fears may be related to past traumas, societal conditioning, or personal experiences. It's important to acknowledge these fears and address them with compassion. One effective technique for overcoming negative self-talk is to engage in a dialogue with your inner critic. Ask yourself, where did this belief come from? Is it really true? How is it serving me? By questioning the validity of your negative thoughts, you can begin to dismantle their power. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You have the power to choose which thoughts you entertain and which ones you let go. By cultivating awareness and practicing self-compassion, you can overcome negative inner conversations and create a positive and empowering inner dialogue. Neville Goddard's teachings on inner conversations are rooted in the belief that our imagination is the creative force of the universe. He taught that by consciously directing our imagination through our inner dialogue, we can shape our reality and manifest our desires. Goddard's teachings offer a profound invitation to take responsibility for our inner world and recognize its creative power. By mastering our inner conversations, we can break free from limiting beliefs, overcome self-doubt, and step into a reality that reflects our true potential. Goddard often shared stories of individuals who transformed their lives through the power of inner conversation. One such story involves a woman who desired to move to a new city but felt trapped by her circumstances. She began to have inner conversations as if she were already living in her desired location, describing the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with it. Within a short time, she received an unexpected job offer in that very city, allowing her to effortlessly realize her dream. Another story tells of a man who struggled with feelings of inadequacy and unworthiness. He started to have inner conversations filled with self-love and acceptance, affirming his inherent value and potential. As his inner dialogue shifted, so did his outer reality. He began to attract opportunities and relationships that reflected his newfound self-worth. As Neville Goddard so eloquently put it, the world is a mirror reflecting the arrangements of your mind. Change the inner arrangements of your mind, and you change the outer picture of your world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the power of inner conversations. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Remember, the power to create your reality lies within you. Embrace it and start living the life you envision.